Welcome to AI Beat, your daily download on the code and the consequences shaping our world. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025. For a long time, the story of AI has been about what happens behind the curtain. It was a tool for analysis, a smart assistant, a powerful but invisible engine. Well, today, that story changes. The theme of the day is this: AI has stepped out from the background and is taking center stage. It's no longer just an assistant, it's the artist, the advertiser, and now the manager of our most critical infrastructure. Today on the show, Hollywood is calling, and we'll look at the first ever generative AI scene to debut on Netflix. We'll dive into the new statistics showing that AI is already creating nearly a third of all the ads you see. Then, we'll meet the new digital detective being built to spot the fakes in this new reality. And finally, we'll look at the new frontier of AI responsibility as it gets a job managing California's power grid. Let's start in Hollywood, where generative AI just made its official on-screen debut. Netflix has confirmed it used generative AI in its new series, The Eternaut, specifically for a scene depicting a building collapsing in Buenos Aires. This is a landmark moment. We're not talking about a tech demo or a viral video. This is a major global streaming service incorporating AI-generated visuals directly into a high-profile production. For the entertainment industry, this could be a game changer. It has the potential to revolutionize how complex visual effects are made, drastically cutting down the time and cost required to create spectacular or destructive sequences. But it also pours gasoline on the already raging fire of debate about the role of AI in creative fields and its impact on the livelihoods of human artists and technicians. And if you think this is a one-off event, think again. A new report from the Association of National Advertisers dropped today, and the numbers are stunning. It indicates that nearly 1/3 of all advertising creative is now being built using AI, and the use of AI in crafting video ads, the most complex and expensive kind, is expected to double by 2026. This is a massive industry-wide shift happening in real time. AI is no longer just a tool for writing copy, it's storyboarding, creating visual assets, and producing final video content for the world's biggest brands. So, as AI gets better and better at creating our reality, the most important question becomes, how do we know what's real? For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And the rise of AI-generated content is now being met by a new generation of AI detection. This week, scientists at UC Riverside, working in collaboration with Google, announced they have developed a new tool capable of detecting fake videos. This isn't just looking for pixelation or clumsy edits. The tool is designed to interpret the subtle visual cues that AI often gets wrong, especially in human faces and natural movements. This is a crucial counter move. Think of it as the creation of a digital immune system for our information age. As the tools to generate synthetic media become more powerful and accessible, the tools to police them must get smarter too. This is the new invisible arms race of the 21st century, the battle between AI that fakes and AI that detects. While AI is busy creating our entertainment and our advertisements, it's also being hired for some of the most serious and high-stakes jobs on the planet. This is the story of AI as the operations manager. First, we have a major development in the corporate world. A company called Akka has just unveiled a new agentic AI platform for adaptive workflows. Let's break that down. Agentic AI is about moving beyond simple automation. This isn't an AI that just performs a single repetitive task. It's an AI that can manage an entire multi-step process. It can plan, adapt to changing conditions, and make intelligent decisions to keep complex business operations running smoothly. It is, for all intents and purposes, the AI equivalent of a highly efficient, data-driven operations manager. And this new AI manager is now being trusted with one of our most critical pieces of infrastructure. The San Diego Union Tribune reports today that artificial intelligence is now being integrated directly into California's electric grid. This is a profound step. AI is being tasked with helping to manage the flow of power to nearly 40 million people. The potential applications are immense, using AI to predict energy demand with incredible accuracy, optimizing the distribution of power from fluctuating renewable sources like solar and wind, and even performing predictive maintenance to prevent blackouts before they happen. This is AI's new job, a guardian of the grid, a manager of complex systems, and a critical partner in building a more resilient and sustainable energy future. So, as we close out the beat today, the theme of AI's expanding role is undeniable. It has graduated from being a behind-the-scenes tool to a front-and-center creator, a persuasive advertiser, and a trusted manager. It's creating the scenes we watch on Netflix and is helping to keep our lights on. The lines between what is human-made and what is AI-generated, and what is human-managed versus AI-managed, are blurring faster than ever before. The challenge for all of us is no longer about if we will interact with AI, but how we will navigate a reality that it is actively helping to write. That's it for today's AI Beat. Join us next time as we continue to explore the code and the consequences shaping our world. Until then, stay curious and stay informed. Thanks for listening.